Hi everyone, welcome to the Foodilly channel. Ready to cook a delicious fried chicken? I'm sure you'll love it. Let's get started. First off, we need 200 grams of white flour. It's time to season our flour. Add your favorite spices. I'm using a teaspoon of red pepper, thyme, paprika, garlic powder, and coriander. Now, let's thoroughly mix these spices with the flour. Next, we'll need 2 eggs. We'll season the eggs too. Add spices as you like. Add a teaspoon of salt, garlic powder, and red pepper to the eggs. Mix the eggs well with the spices until uniform. Coat the chicken fillets in the seasoned flour. Make sure the flour covers all surfaces of the fillets. Repeat this process with all the chicken fillets. Next, dip the floured fillets into the seasoned egg mixture. Ensure every bit of the fillet is covered in egg. We'll dip all the fillets in the egg mixture in turn. Now, it's time to get these fillets crispy. For the crispy coating, we need panko breadcrumbs. Coat the egg-dipped fillets thoroughly in panko. Ensure all surfaces are fully covered with panko. Let's chill the fillets in the freezer for half an hour. Time to fry the fillets in hot oil. The fillets should be fully submerged in the oil. Flip the fillets for even frying on both sides. Each side should take about 3 to 5 minutes to fry. Fried chicken is ready. Serve it with fries. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please hit like. For more recipes, make sure to subscribe to our channel. If you have any suggestions or questions, leave a comment. I'll answer all comments. Feel free to ask anything. See you in the next video. Thanks for your support.